just got this at Dynamics. It is their Stage Series Rock Light 4-pack. Here's the 3 lights right here. And then the 4th one is right here. We are already actually test fitting it right now. This is how bright it looks like. We got the RGBW light, so it changes colors. And we have it plugged back here. This is the Bluetooth connector right here. And we are going to use this for the lights. Trying to find our placement to place our lights. And we are now using a marker so we know where to drill and use our Dremel. Dremeling it. Right, so we just finished making our first hole.
Yeah.
And we're now going to make our next hole.
Yeah.
To remove 2 clips, so it'll be easier for us to maneuver the wiring inside. So we're creating our second hole. So we just needed that hole just to be slightly big enough to put the zip tie in.
So this one comes with the wires. Yeah, so I plugged the long wire already, so we can start fishing it through. So this is the big hole that we did. Goes out here.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Underneath the driver's side, and we just finished pulling the wire from the fenders, and there's the light right there, and we're now going to zip tie it. We just finished zip tying it, and that's how it looks like. Here, before we hide all the wires, let's plug it in and see if it works. Oh yeah, it's lighting up. Oh wow, it's flashing. Cool. It's that color blue right now. Oh, purple. So we just finished doing the driver's side, and this is how it looks like. We just finished screwing back 2 of the screws back in, and this is how it looks like. And we are now going to the passenger side. So we're now here in the passenger side, and we are marking our mark to see where we could Dremel a hole. We are now going to Dremel or drill a hole.
Yeah, here we go.
So we are now removing the 2 screws that's holding on to the fender liner. So we already made our major hole right there, and we're drilling 4 more holes for the zip ties. We are now fishing the wire behind the fender liner, so we're checking to see if this side works. Oh, it's flashing. Oh, there you go. Right, so we are underneath the rear, and we just removed one of the screws for the heat shield.
Yeah.
Because we are going to put it all through there. So after removing, or not removing, but opening up the heat shield, we gotta open our trunk up. There you go. And then we're going to fish the wires there. So after running the wires down there in our trunk space, we moved our toolbox.
Yeah.
And we have it here. We actually placed our trigger switch in our Molly system. We rearranged a lot of stuff, and this is the style that we're doing it. We are going to test this out in our trigger switches. So it's number 4. Oh, it's lighted up. I'm going to the passenger side, and this is how it looks like.
It's bright.
Yeah, it's really bright, and it's bright. It's daytime too. We're now doing the front part of our rock lights. And we are planning on putting it here, right there.
So we just need to mark the holes.
Dremeling it. After making our holes for the zip ties, we're now placing the zip ties, and we are trying to loop it around. So we got our zip ties connected, and we are now placing our wires through the fenders and loop it down through there. After getting the wires through there, we are zip tying our rock lights. So we placed our rock lights right there. So it is far away from the tires. Even if we're on a trail or we make sharp turns, it is all good.
Yeah.
Just like the other one. So we are now putting the wire behind the fender liner. And we are running it through the back. We are running it through here now. And we are going to zip tie it right there. Zip tying it right next to that wire. So we're now here at the bottom part of the passenger side, and we are just zip tying our wires with the other wires connected down here, and we are just gonna run it all the way through there. We're back here in the rear, and we fished our wiring, and it's right down here. So we're now working on the driver's side now, front driver's side, and we are just using our marker to place where we're gonna drill a hole at. So we're now going to Dremel. So we're now installing our rock lights using our zip ties right there with our newly fresh made holes. Finished connecting the rock lights and the wiring, and we are now running it behind the fender liner. We are down here now in the driver's side, and we are just running all our wirings, and we are zip tying it with the current wires that we have right now, and we are going to run it all the way back through there. Finish running the line here. We're now in the rear driver's side, and we're just removing the pins here in the our fender liners. Our fender liner here on the rear is still OEM. I'm down here at the rear driver's side, and we just finished running our lines here, and then here's the other line over here from the front passenger side. We actually just met up all right here in the middle, in the rear middle.
So now we got fished the 2 wires from the hole here.
And they're over here now.
So we're over here now. We just need to add more extension to plug it to
our power supply.
Yeah.
This is the front driver's side right there. And then we're walking towards the front passenger side. This is how it looks like, and all our wirings is all behind the fender liners. And then this is the rear right here. There you go. This is our rock light color. Wow, this is the bottom part. Here's the rear. This has all been fully tested in 3 different types of trail. Wow, this is so cool. Nice.
Keep that nice and slow. Nice and slow. And then you're gonna go. Woo! All right. Woo! Wow. Whoa. Whoa. You're good. You're good. There's a V-notch here. Okay. Yeah. How is it? It's good? It's good? You're good. Go to driver. Yeah, nice and slow. Nice and slow. There you go. Woo! Yeah, you're good. You're good. Just steady. There's a boulder right there. That's good. That's good. Yeah. You start pivoting to your passenger. Start pivoting to your passenger. There you go.
Guys, we're here at Burnt Crumbs, and I got me the quesadilla carne asada with potatoes, and then we got the strawberry pancake souffle, and then we got the
Carne asada omelette.
carne asada omelet. Actually, I got the carne asada quesadilla. There you go, and then we got some Vietnamese coffee. All right, let's do this.
We should just go this way.
Okay,
Oh, I can't.
we'll just go from the bottom.
Yeah. But then if I go in the bottom, it will be bigger now.
Oh,